giveaway, 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 giveaway. This is why I can't film when nobody's home, because I'm so fucking stupid. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Michelle with Prettiest Problem. If you are new here, my channel is dedicated to beauty, fitness, and lifestyle. I'm on my fitness journey and I love talking about all things beauty. So those are my interests. That's what we discuss here. So welcome. I would love to have you be a part of my little YouTube family. I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. If you are an oldie but goodie, hey girl, hey, don't forget to thumbs up this video and put on your post notifications so that you will be updated every time I post a new video. In today's video, I'm so excited because I finally got my package from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. If you do not know or you didn't watch my previous video, I did order a few products from the Jeffree Star and Dawson collab. I was able to get this makeup travel kit, which I absolutely love. It fits the palette in there perfectly, and there's a lot of extra room for your extra beauty needs. There's a nice pouch on the top that you can put brushes in or little smaller items that will fall around. I also was able to purchase a palette from Beautylish before they sold out, the Conspiracy palette. I wasn't really too much interested in the mini controversy, but I did grab a Conspiracy palette. And if you're not following me, or you can check out my older video on a review of this palette, I really do love it. In a nutshell, I love everything about it. I love the series, and that's that. With that being said, because it was crazy that day trying to purchase this palette, I did try to go on Morphe Cosmetics and on Jeffree Star website to order as well. Because it was so crazy that day, I wasn't able to get the gloss from Beautylish because of all of the website difficulties. If you're not familiar, it was crazy. So I went to Jeffree Star Cosmetics website and I was able to get 2 glosses. And while I was on Jeffree Star's site, which is this is my package, I actually decided to purchase a second palette. And I purchased the second palette because I just felt like this launch was just super iconic, and I felt like I wouldn't regret buying a second palette. But now that I have my first palette, and I actually really do love it, and I know they are going to be relaunching like next year, so if I wanted another one, I could purchase another one. I've decided to do a giveaway. Giveaway, giveaway, giveaway. As you can tell by the title, obviously, this is no surprise. My second package did come, and I had the 2 lip glosses, the Dawson lip glosses, which I'm actually not going to give this away because I really just like lip gloss. However, I am going to give away the second palette I purchased. Giveaway, giveaway, giveaway. So this is how it came, and I had to open it up because I heard some rumblings of like stuff in people's palettes and they were broken. So I did open it up just to make sure that it looked good. But this is what the palette looks like. It is still in the packaging, and you slide it out and the Conspiracy palette is inside. So because it is the holiday time, holiday season, I am in the mood of giving. I have been extremely blessed this year in general, and I just want to pay it forward. So I know how much people really love this palette and been trying to get a hold of this palette, and I decided to give away the second one that I purchased, and I will just get another one, or I'll just hold on to the palette that I have. So with that being said, I did create this look on my eyes with this palette, and I'm going to do a little talk over tutorial. And I will be back at the end of the video to tell you how you can enter this giveaway. Giveaway, giveaway, giveaway. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you at the end. So here we have the beautiful Conspiracy palette. And I am going to dip into the shade Pigment. And I'm going to take a fluffy brush and just work this into my upper crease and bring it in towards the inner brow. Now I'm going to take the color Not Effect, and I'm going to build up the, it's like a deeper pink. I'm going to build that up in the outer corner, outer V. And I'm just going to kind of keep dipping in there to like build up that deepness. And then I like to shape my cut creases kind of rounded. So I'm just pulling it up into my inner brow and like towards my nose in a rounded shape. Then I'm going to take some concealer and just kind of like lighten that spot back up so that I can have a nice soft cut crease and the colors will show nicely. And I'm just blending that back out so that it won't be a harsh line. Now I'm going to go into the color Just a Theory, and I'm going to pack that on with a flat shader brush. And this is a nice like champagne-y golden color, and it just is like really glam and soft. Now I'm going to go into the color Sleep Paralysis, and I'm putting that on the outer portion closer to the V, and I'm just going back into the deeper purple color and softening up that crease. Now I'm taking Ranch and I'm putting that in the inner corner just to kind of highlight and lighten up my inner tear duct. And then I'm going into my rods here, and I'm going to deepen up my outer V, and I'm going to also deepen up the crease a little bit. So I'm just taking that softly and working that into my crease. I took the pigment color and went back on the bottom lash line, and then I took this pencil from Makeup Geek. It's I forgot what the name of the pencil is, but it's a nice soft purple color, and I just lined my waterline. Now I'm going into the color Food Videos, and I love this color as a pop of color on my tear duct. Now I put on my falsies, which are mink lashes, and as always I'm using Cork lip liner because I'm gonna go nude on this lip because the eye is pretty drama filled. And I'm using the color by Lipland. It's a liquid lipstick called Reezy, and it was a collab with Reezy, and I'm putting that on my lips. Then I'm going to take this Shane Glossin Gloss, which is just a clear lip gloss, and I'm just going to use that as my top coat to gloss up these puckers. Now catch my dramatic makeup model shots and get into it. Okay, so now that you've seen how I achieved this eye look with the Shane Dawson Conspiracy Palette, I would love to give away the second one. Give away, give away, give away. How to enter is really, really simple. So all I need you to do is thumbs up this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the post notifications so that you'll be updated every time I upload another video. Might be another giveaway, we don't know. I also need you to go ahead and follow me over on Instagram. My Instagram handle is here. And then in the comment section below, I need you to comment your Instagram name. Also tell me your favorite product name from all of this collection. So between the Conspiracy Palette, the Mini Controversy, all the lip products, let me know what is your favorite title of one of the products. I hope that makes sense. It could either be a shade name, a lipstick name, or any of that. So I just want to know what is your favorite name from the Shane Dawson and Jeffree Star collab. I'm so excited to be able to do this. I hope you guys have an amazing, amazing holiday season. Thank you so much for watching this video and for entering my giveaway. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.